Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to Panjim in Goa. Now this is the state capital and it's my first visit not only just to the city but actually to the whole state of Goa. I'm super excited to look around because it's definitely got a lot to offer. This morning I actually woke up on a houseboat and now I've come more into the central area to have some food, check out the markets and look at the incredible mix of architecture here. So let's go have a look around. Hello. Hi. I've made a little friend. Oh. No, I haven't. Oh dear. This very colourful area is called Fontainhas. And there's a lot of Portuguese architecture around here, and there's actually a lot of Portuguese names on the doors and the street signs, and everyone's obviously made a massive effort to keep it looking so pretty with all the flowers, multicoloured buildings. I think I've just crashed some kind of music video shoot. Can you see behind me? They've got some imported cars, a load of girls dancing. Now me gate crashing. I think the architecture here is completely different to what I expected. I guess because of the colonial style, it feels a bit more like some of the towns in Brazil or other places in Latin America. So I've come to a place called Ritz for my lunch and I've been brought this incredible platter to decide from. I've actually never seen anything like this before in a restaurant. Not brought to the table so you can decide on which fish you want to eat. So, I mean, where's the start?
It's the pomfret. It's the very thin fish. It's the chunk, white snipper, red snipper, it's a tiger prawns.
How do you do the tiger prawns? You cook them in garlic?
Butter garlic is good.
Butter garlic?
Butter garlic is good.
Salt? Yeah, definitely.
And one more item, I'll give you the masala fry, the ration, one side. Little spicy.
Spicy is good for me. The more spice, the better. Is that beef shoal? Yes. So it's pretty easy to go overboard when you're in India with food. So as well as the garlic prawns and, hang on, masala prawns. I've also been brought this incredible thali. I guess most of you guys know what a thali is already, but if you don't, it's essentially a platter with lots of different foods in it. So it's perfect if you want to try loads of different things, which I always do. Although, there's a few things I don't recognise, so hopefully the manager can come over and tell me exactly what I'm eating. So I've got prawn curry, crab, which I love, clams, dried prawn, some kind of vegetable sabji, and did I already say kingfish? And then obviously pop it on to rice and a little dessert at the end. And the only way to eat this is with your hands. So I'm going to have to apologise for the sheer amount of markets that I always cover in my videos. But I do just love them. They're always so colourful and it feels like a good way to see the local people and the way of life in a different place. So this is Panjim Central Market, the municipal market. It's open every day. Hello. There's a lot of different fruits and veg going on. So I'm going to have a little wander around. actually quite cool in here. There's a lot of fans going. And quite a lot of the market traders are actually asleep on their stands, which is pretty sweet. Hello. Also, I might be wrong, but at the moment I haven't spotted any meat or fish, which actually means that this market smells lovely. Quite often these undercovered markets, when they get a bit hot, they do start to smell a little bit. But this just smells like vegetables, which is nice. So I'm ending my first day in Goa at the Panjim Veranda restaurant, and I've got some incredible dishes here. Very greedy as always. Now I hope that you guys have enjoyed exploring Panjim as much as I've enjoyed exploring it.